What type of foreigner do Filipinas usually fall for? What type of foreigner would make your friends jealous? Does physical matter to you?
Not at all.
How about does money matter to you? Like how much he earns? How soon would you want to know how much he is worth? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Bernadette and I'm 23 years old.
Okay, Bernadette, what type of foreigner do Filipinas usually fall for?
I think because hardworking, then soft-hearted.
Okay. A hardworking and soft-hearted foreigners. Mm-hmm. Okay. What type of foreigner would you personally date?
I think
That made her think.
kind person lang.
A kind person.
Kind person.
Does physical matter to you?
Not at all.
How about does money matter to you? Like how much he earns?
No.
Do Filipinas like confident foreigners or shy foreigners more?
For me, a confident foreigner.
Confident foreigners. Filipinas like confident foreigners. How about you?
Confident.
Okay. How soon would you want to know how much he is worth?
I don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think? Like, are you gonna ask him? When are you gonna ask him? Or how soon are you gonna ask him? I mean, how much he is worth? Like, how much is he earning? How soon? Or are you gonna ask him?
No.
You're not gonna ask him
Because it's personal matter.
because it's personal matter. Okay. May I know why? Aside from it's personal, what else? Like, what's the real reason why you wouldn't ask it?
Because it's not my money.
Oh, it's not much. But how about if he asks you, how much are you earning like monthly? Is it okay?
Yeah.
What habit do foreigners have that Filipinas secretly love?
For being a
What habit?
for being hardworking.
For being hardworking.
Yes.
For being hardworking, that's something that Filipinas love about them. A habit that they love about. Okay. Hardworking. Well, my husband is hardworking. What type of foreigner would make your friends jealous?
I think for being handsome and rich.
Husband, I mean, handsome and rich.
Yes po, handsome and rich.
Now, what type would make them warn you?
I think yung itong barbububong kati.
She said that if he is someone who looks like he's gonna like hurt you, like physically, like punch you, like that. If he looks like that, like oh, what kind of person is that? Like what is it? Like physically, like someone that looks like he's gonna hurt you.
Yes, yes.
If a foreigner wanted to win a Filipina's heart in 1 week, what should he do?
For being a gentleman. For me, for being a gentleman.
Just be gentleman. What else?
And then he feel me that he loves me.
How old are you again?
22.
23. How many boyfriends you had?
1.
What is your name and how old are you?
I am Renoline and I'm 18 years old.
You look very beautiful tonight, Renoline. You're welcome. Okay, so the very first question is, what type of foreigner do Filipinas usually fall for?
I think, in my opinion, Filipinos are falling in love to Americans because of their hospitality, by their kindness and truthfulness to their loved ones, and that's all.
Americans or foreigners? Okay. Americans or foreigners? Because that's the question of foreigners. Okay. Okay, next. What type of foreigner would you personally date?
For me, I'm not basing on what type of foreigners are, but for me, because I'm a woman, definitely I'm gonna choose someone who can love me truly and respectfully, not myself, and only, of course, my family too.
Mm, okay. Do Filipinas like confident foreigners or shy foreigners more?
For me, I'm a type of girl that has an definitely and confident girl, so I would choose an confident a man too.
Okay. 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 As a Filipina, who would like someone who is confident. So it depends. So if a Filipina is confident, you think she's more like into confident guy as well.
Yes, that was right.
Okay. Now, how soon would you want to know how much he is worth?
um, when he wants me to go to the altar, if he can do that, I would.
Oh, so as soon as you found out that he wants to like ask you for marriage like that, that's when you're gonna ask him if how much he is earning.
Yeah, yeah, because that was mean for me to because of the day right now, because of the politics,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and what happened right now, and I'm so very very for what happened. So I would definitely gonna find someone better, maybe better than me.
What habit do foreigners have that Filipinas secretly love?
By helping others,
Mm.
that they had a respectfully, and the heart that they have and what they have and kindness to others.
What type of foreigner would make your friends jealous?
um and they are talking to me, something that they are clingy like that.
Oh, when he's clingy to you, definitely your friends are gonna be like jealous, you know. Okay. Now, what type would make them warn you?
Like type of he would hurt me. That's what my friends warned me, that I should stop loving him if he could not love me as I could.
Okay. If he couldn't love you as you do like that, or and also if he's hurting you. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single.
How long have you been single?
um it's been a year.
It's been a year. Okay, last question, babe, because you mentioned earlier that you want one thing that you secretly love about a foreigner is if he is like gonna help your family, your parents like that, because that's what you do, right? You help your family, you help your parents. So what if you're in a relationship with a foreigner and then he told you that I'm only in a relationship with you. You're only my responsibility, but not your family. So what would you say, or what? What's gonna be your reaction?
For me, I would say that we could manage it. We could do some plan that we should it was a group that we could, the we should
You can say it in Bicol or in Tagalog if you want. Hiling ka lang sa camera, babe.
ano I would definitely want him to think about that, from the time that we could manage that. I'm not gonna say that it was very very at the first. I would definitely say that we should manage it, the both of us, not only by him.
Are you saying that you can help each other?
We will
You are
manage that.
okay. You're not like someone who would just tell him help my family. Okay,
like that.
give them this amount of money every month. You're not that type of person. You're also willing to help him like financially, so you could also help your family. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, we're not gonna keep this video for so long, this intro, because it's raining already. But anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty, Be. Thank you so much. You're welcome. She's very sweet, guys. Thank you so much, Be. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection